Nasa handaan kami, handaan grand.
Ano, pwede kayong kung sa next
Crowded, walang lamesas, very crowded. So hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Very crowded dito sa handaan. Daming tao, walang lamesa. Tao, my husband here. Yeah, it's too much traffic inside the handaan.
Yeah, it's too much. It's kabir.
There's no table available. They said that if we want to eat here, we need to reserve. So, yes.
Very fancy. Very fancy place.
So we need to find another restaurants that we can eat. Oh, well, let's see what we're gonna do now. It's too much people because today is Friday. So I don't know. Let's see what we're gonna do. Babe, so Chinwa. Ah, yeah, the Chinwa restaurant.